Hello, my name is Ramsey Safe. The class is Ag Mechanics, and I've been in this class since the beginning of the year.
My name is Daniel Diaz. I'm in Ag Mechanics, and I've been in the class for the first semester of this year.
You can learn machinery, how to use machinery around the shop. You get to use team building skills, how to work with your classmates. You can also learn how to work on your own, something you don't usually do down at the junior high.
Some things to expect when you join the Ag Mechanics class is that you get a lot of opportunities to use certain tools that you don't have at home, and it just lets you learn new things.
It's a chill class. I don't really like learning, but learning in this class is pretty fun. It's nothing like your basic woodshop class. It's a lot better. It's like fun. You get to do what you want. But yeah, there's rules, but it's pretty lenient.
The main thing I like about the class is just having friends and having a teacher that supports you in whatever you want to build or anything you want to learn about, such as welding, woodworking, cement, anything.
So what I'm doing right now is I'm building the gate. It's a pretty big gate, and we're making it silver and black, but the fun thing about it is you get to make it yourself, you get to design it yourself, with some help with the teacher, but it's not as much as she's doing it all herself. You get to do it yourself, build it, design it. It's pretty fun because you get to see it create in front of your eyes.
My favorite project so far has been a cowboy cooker that we took to the state fair towards the beginning of the school year, which I've been welding for a while, and it really just helped me experience new things as a welder.
There is why you should take this class. It's fun, it's laid back, it's pretty chill. You get to build stuff with your friends. I like building stuff with my hands. You get to work with your hands. It's just, you get to basically do what you want with rules, but you get to build whatever. Just make it work.
I think they should take the class because it just gives you an opportunity to do some hands-on work. I know most of y'all just spend y'all's time in class really tired, bored. It just lets you have the freedom to move around, have fun, make something that you would like to do, or overall just have a good time and learn new trades.
My name is Shelby Young. I've been in the welding program for about 6 years now. I've been in there since junior high.
My name is Levi Meyer. I've been in the ag program about 3 years now. Been welding too.
My name is Emmanuel Nino. I'm in welding too, and I've been in that class for 3 years.
I do a lot of the CDC machine and also a lot of the painting in there, a lot of the art that makes it come together. The boys do a lot of the hard work.
Well, y'all can expect to TIG weld, MIG weld, stick weld, all the basics that come in fabrication.
Just future. Respect for the future. Expect to make memories. Expect how to learn and how to build.
Making new friendships, spending time with Harling, getting closer to a teacher actually, not like other teachers, and then having a bond with the teacher that you can have for your whole high school years.
I would say other students probably should try to take the class because, well, the reason why I took the class was because my dad was always harping on me about getting a trade.
If school isn't for you, I would recommend this class because you don't need to be good at school. I'm not really good at school, but that's the only way I'm gonna make a future out of myself. So that's why I would recommend welding.